Hello student, today we'll discuss about the display interfaces like 7 segment and LCD and GUI means graphical user interface development. So first starting with the interface. So interface is referred to as two-wire interface, in short TWI or I2C, interintegrated circuits, right? Interintegrated circuit. So 8024C02 EEPROM is a non-volatile memory often used for interfacing with microcontroller. That is, data is not lost even when power fails. Okay, we know that the volatile and non-volatile. Okay, so volatile means power off. The what are the information or data will be there that will be lost, and non-volatile memory means at the time what is the data is there that not lost. Okay, a microcontroller can read the last saved data from the EEPROM when power resumes. When power resumes. Okay. So if you observe the diagram of this 7 segment display. Okay. First thing is why it called as 7 segment. We can see these are the A, B, C, then D, E, F, G. Okay. So like these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like there are the 7 segments are exist. That's why it's called as 7 segment. And then these are the dot related to. Okay, so that's why its name is 7 segment. That's why its name is 7 segment, because the 7, these are the 7 segment. And according to this 7 segment, the respective numbers will be created. Means for example, suppose you want to create the 0. So what will be happen? Except this, all these segments will be glow. Then we can display as a 0. Display as a 0. Suppose you want to display the 2. So this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Then it will be displayed as a 2. So remaining segments, this one as well as this one, their intensity is very means less, low, 0, right? So that's why it will be displayed as a 2. Okay, so 7, we can make any number start with the 0 to 9. 0 to 9 by using this 7 segment display. Okay, so a 7 segment display consists of 7 LED arrangement in a form of squarish 8 light included to the right and single LED as dot character. So different characters can be displayed by selecting glowing the required LED segment. So 7 segment display are two types: common cathode and common anode, right? So we'll see in details in the PPTs or you can say the PDF. Okay, so how they are interface. Then we can see the LCD module. LCD module. Okay, so these are your 16 by 2 LCD module. Okay, so that LCD stand for liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display. Okay, so total is the see 1 2 like this one, total are 16 spin, right? So that's why 16 cross 2 module. Then see the details. A liquid crystal display, commonly abbreviated LCD, is basically a display unit built using liquid crystal technology. When we build real life or real world electronics based project, we need a medium or device to display output values and messages. We need a medium devices to display output values and messages. The most basic form of electronic display available in 7 segment display, which has its own limitation. The next best available option is liquid crystal display, which comes in the different size specifications. Out of all available LCD modules in market, the most commonly used one is 16 by 2 LCD module. which can display 32 ASCII characters in 2 lines. 16 character in one line. Another commonly used LCD display are 20 by 4. So that's why it's called as 16 cross 2. Okay, so 2 lines, 16 character in one line. 16 character in one line. So that's these two. Okay. So other commonly used LCD displays are 20 by 4 character LCD. Nokia 5110 LCD module. So 120 by 64 graphical LCD display and 2.4-inch TFT touchscreen LCD display. These are the examples of a few of LCD. Okay, so in the details I will upload the PPT as well as you can edit that related to the doc file or PDF is available. Okay, so we'll see in the LCD. Now next is your GUI, graphical user interface. So is a system of interactive visual component for computer softwares. I repeat, GUI is a system of interactive visual components for computer software. A GUI display object that convey information and represent action that can be taken by the user. The objects changes color, size or visibility when the user interact with them. I repeat, the object changes color, size or visibility when user interact with them. Okay, so is a interactive visual component for computer software. Okay, so these are your last point. Okay, and here your unit number 2 is over. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope we understood all the points. Okay, thank you.